Most AI builders approach new clients by talking about features and technical capabilities instead of presenting a complete business solution. They push AI agents and high level integrations and workflows and the model of the AI instead of pushing them into a branded system that prospects easily understand and buy. This leads to potential clients who see AI as a nice to have rather than essential because they don't understand the complete value. And you'll be losing deals right to competitors who present more comprehensive business packages even though their technical skills aren't as strong as yours. I made this exact mistake for months. I would demo my high level AI agents to potential clients, show them all the technical features, and wondered why weren't they excited to pay premium prices for this product. Then I learned to package everything into my branded 4-part system, a complete solution with named components